What we got for y'all today? Got a GXP. Try to get mounted up on some foes. (24x9) in the front, 24x10. Running a 255, 30, 24 in the front, 275, 25, 24 in the rear. We're gonna be doing some test fitting and everything. Might go with a shorter tire in the front. Might go with a 255, 25, 24. That shit don't work. Alright, we got both our wheels off. And for a quick, easy put forwards on here, we're gonna bend the strut plate up right here. And we may have to trim on this plastic a little bit. Might be like right here. On the front, we're gonna bend this part of the strut plate up as well. And about to cut, pretty sure because of the size tire, I'm about to cut right here and right here. Maybe if we run a 255, 25, 24, we'll be able to survive without this cutting. But I'll see once I get everything on. All right, now we got the 18s. Let's see, the 18s. The foes right here. That's how we're looking right now. Basically, you push up on that strut, then after that take your fender well out. I still gotta turn it right and left to see where I gotta trim it. Especially that plastic, I know I'm gonna see what's going on with that. In the back, same thing. Bend the strut plate up, take the fender wall out, and I'm gonna have to trim right, not on the red, but right under here, if y'all can see. Trim that plastic so once it comes down, it frees. It freely spins. So got them on. So you gotta make some minor adjustments. Drop it down to see what I gotta do. I'm pretty sure I don't have to add no lifters or anything because the 25 series tire. So it should be good. So I'm gonna keep messing with them, do the other side right quick. I'm gonna come back and make my adjustments just so everything on, and I'll cut y'all back. And when putting rims on, you always want to make sure you drop the car first. You know, you put the wheels on before you go to cutting anything. Now, unless you got to really cut, you know, trim a little bit first. Then, you know, you got to take plastic fenders out, take that out first. Because like right here, with the 275/25 tire, I didn't have to cut right here. So I got enough space. I might have to push it back with a pry bar a little bit, you know what I'm saying, just for extra clearance. But you can see I got clearance right here, so I don't need to cut. Now, if I would have cut before I put on the ground, then I would have realized I cut for no reason. So you always want to test fit a few times, turn to see where you're cutting at. Like right here, I actually don't have to cut. I have space to make a turn. I just have to cut right here. See what it's at right here? When I make a turn, it's gonna hit that, so I gotta make sure I cut that and push that back. So I'll make a few final adjustments and it'll be good to go. And you can see right here, where it's rubbing that. This is 24s. I'm gonna set you up and I'm gonna turn it and show the clearance. You see that tire right here. It's gonna make a full U-turn now. After hitting that up, I'm gonna spray paint this black so you can't see all this. So on the max turn, we got something. I'm gonna drop it down. I'm gonna drop it down and see what I got. The vehicle is fully on the ground. Just got to go back and get it up there. That's why it's good to always check. Now to go back, make some more adjustments. When they come up right here, and some more right here. All right, gang, what y'all think? GXP. This for the LS4 Nation right here. What y'all think, gang? 255 30 24, 24 by 9 in the front, and that's on a 255 30 24 tire. On the rear, 24 by 10 on a 275 25 24. 275 25 24. What y'all think? Gotta wash it up, clean the wheels up. Obviously you can see the car dirty, rim dirty. What y'all think, gang? And it's on 24s. See no cutting. No cutting. Gxp 5.3 gang. LS4 Nation. Yes, sir. What y'all think about this? My man butt right here. Y'all check that channel out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all holler at me, you know, I'll be tapping in with the comments. I get back, I try to get back with everybody I can, you know what I'm saying? Let me before I cut this video, let me see what these dudes doing right quick. They gonna save some regulars. So it's about to go from PG-13 to rated R in 3 seconds. Yeah, give me a shout out for the channel, man. You heard me? My dude butt fucking with me. Craig, man, give me a shout out for the Eazyauto, man. We're going on YouTube, we're going live, man.
Like that, though. Tune into my boy Eazyauto channel, you know what I'm saying? He got the car content, wheels and tires, mechanic work, whatever you trying to do, you know what I'm saying? Blow my boy shit up, man. He's doing what he do. Putting them 24s, 30s on shit that ain't supposed to be on there. But for all you out of town, Alabama, Miami, Florida, Texas, all you better ride them big rims, man. We doing it in Louisiana too. Come tap in, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the monster Carlos. Yes.
Big 30.